Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to you all. Let's start with a smile since you finished your exams. So smile to each other. Okay. We started talking about pronouns. We had some exercises. I'm afraid everything has gone with the exams. Let's revise it quickly. The personal pronouns. The personal pronouns. Now, what would you say about the first group?
Subject.
Yes, read and say. Yeah, Haneen.
Subject pronoun. Singular. I, you, she, he, it.
What does it mean, subject pronouns? No, don't translate. I mean, what do you know about these pronouns?
Come in the first of sentences and
Go on.
yeah.
You mean they are used as the subject of the sentence? Or they refer to the subject? Good. They refer to the subject or they are used as the subject. This group is singular and this group is plural. Thank you. Yeah. Sorry? I know, but I want to remind you because we need it in some exercises now. Yeah. What do you tell me about the other group? Yes, please.
Object pronoun me, you, her, him, it.
Okay.
We use object pronoun as the object in the sentence.
Okay, they are used as the object of the sentence, or as they refer to the object. So they are used as the object or refer to the object or
Object of a preposition.
okay, object of the preposition. Very good, Khadija. They can. This is for him. Okay. This is for me. This is for you. Can be used as the object of the preposition. They visited me yesterday. They visited me. This is the object. This is for you. This is object of the preposition. Good. And what about the other group? What about the other group? Yes, please.
Possessive pronouns mine, yours, hers, his, its, and in plural ours, yours, theirs. These pronouns aren't followed by nouns.
Yeah, they are not followed by nouns. I say this is mine, this is yours, this is ours, and so on. So they can stand alone, and they should not be followed by a noun. Good, thank you very much. And what about the last group? Yes, Yasmin.
Possessive adjective my, your, her, his, its in singular, and our, your, their in plural. Possessive adjective, it must be followed by the name.
Must be followed by a noun. That's right. Thank you. I say my car, your house, our school, and so on. Okay? Now, if I say, this book is mine. It is about history, for example. It is a pronoun, refers to the book, right?
Yes.
What do we call the book? Yeah? Antecedent. We call it antecedent. So the noun, when the pronoun refers to a noun, this noun is called antecedent. Good. Thank you. Now we started making exercises, right? We stopped at this one. Now we want to do this exercise. We want to do this exercise. Yeah, read the introduction, please. Yes.
This umbrella is mine.
Choose the
correct word
in italics. Yeah, in italics. Good. Go on.
This umbrella is mine. The other one is yours.
Okay, what do you think? Can you do it? This umbrella, this pen is mine or is my?
Mine.
Why mine, not my?
Because not for the
By now.
Okay. Thank you. And the other one? The other one is? Yours. Come, please, and do it. Number 2. Yes, please.
Mary and Bob have their talk and a positive adjective. In other words, Mary has her house and Bob has
Thank you.
his.
And the first one.
Mine.
Yes, go on, go on.
Mary has hers and Bob has.
Come here, please. Come. Thank you.
Call the positive
Mm-hmm.
pronoun.
Have their books. His. Okay, why? You are right. But why did you choose these answers?
Positive adjective.
Okay, followed by a noun. Good.
No needed. Now it's not needed here.
Okay.
We use positive noun. Here.
Thank you. A pronoun. Good. Thank you very much. Next one. Yes, please. Come.
Our house.
Okay. We say what? Our house or ours house? Wait. We say this class is ours. And this is our class. This class is ours. Or this is our class. So what do you think? Okay, our house. It is followed by a noun.
It's almost the same as our.
Please, one speaker. Give her a chance.
It's almost the same
Okay. The same as ours or our. Now, what's the difference between our and ours again? She can. Which one should be followed by a noun? Now, our, what do we call our? Good. So, it should be followed by a noun. And the other one, ours, is called? Good. It can stand alone. So, now we have a noun. We say our house. And this is what? Our neighbor's house. We have another noun. So, what do you think? Our. Good.
The only difference in appearance is that ours.
There is no noun. Good. That's right. Ours is gray and their or theirs. Theirs is white. Thank you. Next exercise. Okay. Read the introduction, please.
Complete the sentences with its or its.
Okay. Now, what's the difference between the two words? What's the difference between them? Who can say? Yes, please.
It's possessive pronouns and it is.
Which one, with apostrophe or without apostrophe?
Without apostrophe.
Okay, good.
Possessive pronouns, but it is with apostrophe subject pronoun.
Now, it is again it. Okay, but you are right. It refers to the subject. Now, and what about, why do we use the apostrophe here?
Because
something
is.
Okay. If something is abbreviated,
Yes.
right? Something is deleted. You know? It is or it has. It is or it has. So with apostrophe, it is or it has. Without apostrophe, it is used for what? Okay, good. To express a possessive. Good. Now, number 1. تفضلي. Come.
A honeybee has two rings on each side of its body.
Thank you. Good. Next one. Yes, please. Get ready for number 4. Yeah?
Tom has a bed. Its name is square. It's a
Now, its name. Do we need apostrophe?
No.
no.
No, we don't need apostrophe. Okay, good.
It's a we need a
Complete.
his pet for several years.
Thank you. It has been. Good. Come, please. Yes, tell us, what did you do? A nation that does not educate its children because it is a possessive. Okay? Good. And number 5, come please.
All of us can help create peace in the world. Indeed, it is our responsibility to do so.
It is. It's. You are right. Good. Sorry. You did not finish. Thank you. Any question on this exercise? So you all can distinguish between the two words. Yeah.
Number 4.
Number 4, yeah. What about it?
Why not apostrophe? Extra children.
So if I use apostrophe, it means it is children, or it had, it's. Now I want a word to refer to express possessive verb. Okay, my children, your children, her children, its children. So it is a possessive verb. Okay? Other questions? Look at the next exercise. I'd like you all to do this exercise together. Look at your box and you all do it. You have 1 minute only. 1 minute. Do the exercise, all of you. It's a good one. Okay, who wants to come here? Fadali, come. Okay, read aloud and explain to us what you'll do. Yeah? Good. With apostrophe. Good. Go on.
It dies. It dies.
It. Yeah. It. Why it not the? A singular pronoun. Okay. Refers to what? A fish eater. A fish eater to the singular now. Singular refers to the singular. Go on.
Into the water and
Spears. Good. Good, you are right. It's spray. It is a possessive, okay? Without apostrophe. Also without apostrophe. Okay, on its long pointed bill. Okay. Emerging from the water. Good, it tosses. Thank you. Catches, thank you. It. And then. Swallows, good. Yeah. It again. It's with apostrophe or without? It is interesting. Good. It. Now we are talking about the bird and the fish together. What do you think? It or them? Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Doctor,
Yes.
what about fish?
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm just confused with sometimes we use it.
You know,
and
fish.
sometimes them.
Fish. Okay. We can say fish is. Okay. And fish are.
Yes.
So in this, it depends on the context. Now he used the article, the indefinite article. Where is it? Okay, a fish eater, a fish. So a means one. Give me a book. How many? One. So this indicates the singular. So it is, right? Other questions? Yeah.
Why them?
Why them?
I enjoy
Now
watching.
we were talking about what? The bird, the bird, the bird, the bird.
Yeah.
And finally, do you enjoy watching what? The bird
The bird and
only
the
or
fish.
the bird and the fish?
Yeah. A bird and a fish.
The bird and the fish. You enjoy watching the bird and the fish together. They are in the scene. Now listen. When I say a student walked into the room, a student walked into the room. She was looking for the teacher. Where is the pronoun?
She.
Where is she? That's right. Now, does she refer to a particular person or to a general noun? Particular person. Okay, she must be Fatma, Huda, Khadija, and so on, right?
Yes.
Okay, now look at the other sentence. A student walked into the room. He was looking for the teacher. He, again. Does it refer to a generic noun
No.
or to a particular individual?
Particular.
Okay, particular person. When I say he, must be, for example, Ali, Ahmad, Ibrahim, Khalid, and so on, right? So we understand that he and she refer always to particular persons. They are not generic. They are not generic. But when I say a student came, a student walked, a student arrived, what do you think? A student, is it a generic noun or a particular or a definite? Generic can be any student, okay? It represents any students, can be you, can be any student, right? Now, nouns like a student and a student, they are generic nouns. They are generic nouns. But the pronouns cannot be generic here. They refer to what? Particular students. Even though they refer to generic nouns, but they express particular persons. They express what? Particular persons. Now, in this sentence, a student should always. A student. When somebody says a student, what do you imagine? A generic noun, right? Can be any student. Can be a male or a female, right? So, shall I say a student came into, should always do his assignments or her assignments? So, now when I say a student, can be a male and can be a female, right? So, since it is possible to be a male or a female, what shall I say? Do his assignments or her assignments?
His or hers?
Why not her? Some ladies will protest. Okay? Men should not always be dominating. Okay? So what do you think, Murida?
The same word, student, refers to a man, not
and can refer to a female also. Okay? Can refer. Now when I say a student, can refer to a male and to a female. So how can we solve this problem?
We say his or her.
Very good, Nada. Thank you very much. We say his or her. A lot of writers started to say a lot. No, look, it traditionally in all English, they used to say what? His. Use his for a male. And some writers consider it male domination or male domination, something like that. Okay? But now, most of the books, a lot of writers say his or her to be fair. In order not to neglect, yes, the other possibility.
But in Arabic,
Even in Arabic, sometimes we use, okay, both of them, right? Uktub, right? And sometimes in the exam, uktub, uktubi, right? We use it even in Arabic. Some people consider the masculine is enough, okay, his, and others, no, they should refer or they should point to the feminine gender here. So, now, how can we solve this problem? You see, as you see, a student should do his.
Yeah.
Oh, why not her? So, right, his or her. How can we solve this problem? This is a problem. What do you think? In writing, yes? Say it. Speak aloud.
Change it to another pronoun.
Another pronoun like what? Another pronoun which may include he and she. Right. Very good. What's that pronoun?
His or her can change to their.
Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you. In other words, we make it what? Plural. We make it plural. So to avoid this problem, we make it plural and not necessary to say he, she, he or she. So again, when I say students should always do what? Their assignments. And by this way, we can avoid the problem. So make it plural and avoid the problem. Look at these indefinite pronouns. Remember? Okay, look. Before we talk about them, they are what? How many words? One word. So everyone is what? One word. Everybody? Everything? Okay, read the other group, please.
Someone, somebody, something.
Thank you. The other ones?
Anyone, anybody, anything.
Thank you. And the other ones?
nobody, nothing.
Good. So remember, they should be what? One word. Now, somebody. Somebody refers to what? Sorry?
Generic singular.
Okay, somebody left his book on the desk. Somebody left his. Okay, somebody left his. His refers to a singular person, right? A singular noun. Everyone has his or her. Okay? Has his or her again. Can be a male or can be a female. Can refer to one of them. Now, in Old English, most of the books used to write his. In other words, to consider it singular. And in spoken English, when you are talking, again, in formal English, it is considered what? His. So, his, this is one. Somebody left his. In formal English, the use of a singular pronoun to refer to an indefinite pronoun is generally considered to be grammatically correct. So this is accepted in formal English. I say, somebody left his. Somebody left her. Everyone should bring her, and so on. Should bring his. This is what? This is formal. Now, what about the everyday English? When people speak to each other, they say somebody left there. Okay, everyone has their own ideas. Now, which one shall I use? Between friends, in everyday language, most people use what? use there. Use the plural form. But in formal writing, and sometimes, okay, in the very formal, they use what? They use there. But commonly, we can say that this is the formal form, his or her, and this is the informal, used in everyday life between friends, in spoken English, and so on. Is that okay? Now let's have an exercise. Yeah, read please the introduction. Read it from your book.
Exchange the sentences by using plural instead of singular generic nouns where possible. Change pronouns and verb as necessary. Discuss the advantages of using plural rather than singular generic nouns.
Okay, now let's do number 1. When I say each student in biology 101 has to. Has to. Yeah. Each student. Complete reading it. Complete reading.
Each student in biology 101 has to spend 3 hours per week in the laboratory where he or she does various experiments by following the directions in his or lab manual.
Okay.
Each student.
Now all students, yeah, we write what?
All students.
Come, you are right. All students. So instead of each student is, we say what? All students are. Okay. All students. Students. Yeah, good. Complete. Has to. Students has to or have to? Have to. Good. Spend 3. Yeah, what do you think of he or she? They. Very good. Yeah, they. They does? They do. Thank you very much. Any other changes?
In his or her.
Yeah, in his or her.
Their lab.
Okay. Thank you. In there, the spelling E-I, okay? Yeah. You want to do it? Okay, come. Okay. تفضلي, come. Get ready for the other one. Citizens. Okay, have. Yeah. Just a minute. Let's complete this point. We started this point. Let's complete it. Okay, go on. Every election. What do you think of every election? Every election. This is yet in. Now he wants you what? Okay. A change by using a plural instead of singular, generic. So instead of every election, we say what? Okay, good. We say all elections. Thank you. Yeah, you are right.
What's the meaning of jury?
Check it in the dictionary. Okay. Yeah, who was asking there? تفضلي. Just a minute, she has a question. Number 3. Yeah, what about number 3? Yeah, last one. Them? Okay, why them? Why them? Now, you know, lab. Now, this is a noun. If I have them, this is for them. This is for you, right? It should not be followed by a noun. Sorry? Yeah, it should not be followed by a noun. So we say there, but you know, there, look at the spelling. Other questions?
What about the same exercise number 2?
Number 2.
It's not changed. It's not here.
Number 2 in the book, you mean?
Yes.
Okay.
It's not changed. Why? Because of she maybe or why?
There is no change.
Yes.
Read it, please.
I talked to a student in my chemistry class. I asked for her notes from the class I missed. She gave them to me gladly.
So this is a good sentence. Why shall we change? Okay? It's a good sentence. Now look at number 5. Look at number 5. Who's going to commit? Okay, it is for you. So what about the changes? Where are the changes? It's good that you are going to make it. No, it is. There is no problem.
We listened to a really interesting lecture last night. She discussed her experiences as an archaeologist in Argentina. I think that there is no change.
No change, you are right. Thank you. Right, no change.
Right.
Never mind, write it. Write it, you write it. It is the same as the one you asked about, right?
That's why I asked.
Okay. So you got the answer. Now this is another exercise. What does he want? What does he want? Yeah, read the introduction in your book.
Complete each sentence with the pronouns that seems appropriate to the given situation. Choose the correct verbs and parties as necessary. Discuss formal or informal pronouns.
Okay, thank you. Now, the first one, number 2. Who wants to start? Go on. Yasmin.
One friend to another, of course, you can learn to dance.
Just a minute, please. One friend to another. What does that mean? Is it a formal situation? It is informal situation. Good. This is informal situation. Go on.
Of course, you can learn to dance. Anyone can learn how to dance if want to.
If we want to use a pronoun. Now, anyone can learn. Anyone. We want a pronoun to refer to anyone. The indefinite pronoun. They. Very good. They, because this is, as we said, informal situation. Good.
If you can learn how to dance.
No, write it there. Write it there. Clean this. Okay, clean this.
Then choose a verb.
And which verb do we use?
If they want to.
Okay, thank you very much. Good. Next one. Come. You want to ask? Now we said, now she is asking anyone. Do we use a singular pronoun or a plural pronoun to refer to anyone? Who can answer her question? Yeah.
We said that in formal language we use other or plural as a plural, but in informal writing
He or
we use he or she, he or her.
Okay, now, sorry again. Anyone refers to? Okay, we said you should consider whether you are dealing with a formal situation or an informal situation. In a formal situation, we say it. Okay? And in a formal situation, in informal situation, we say they. Okay? Now, why did he introduce the exercise by this expression? One friend to another. The writer wants to tell you that this is an informal situation. Okay? This is informal situation. Yeah, why did you say it? Come, we are waiting. Yeah.
Business textbook and fictive corporate.
Now, this business textbook. This is what? Formal, good.
Yeah.
Go on.
Corporate manager must be able to motivate their employees.
I don't know. This is for you. Why? Why there? Why there? Now we said, look at the previous one. Number 2, this is informal situation. In the informal, we use the plural they, right?
Yes.
And now this is informal and this is formal. So in the formal, okay, now listen, the manager can be a male and or a female. So what shall I write? His or her. Very good. Thank you.
You can write his only.
You can write his only, you can write his only. Okay, but some others will protest. Okay? Yes, come please. Look, one roommate to another. This is informal. Very good. This is informal. Look, this introduction is very important. Yeah, go on.
One asks where I am. Tell them you don't know I want to keep my meeting with Jim.
Very good. Tell them. Number 5, new ones, come please. Then you, get ready, okay?
Son to his mother, Kashma.
Okay, son to his mother. What does that indicate? Formal or informal? Informal situation. Good, go on.
Everyone who came to the class picnic was supposed to bring
Their own food. Okay, clean the previous ones, please. Clean them. Their own food, yeah? Thank you. Yes, come, please. University lecture.
Formal.
It is a formal situation. Go on. Very good. With his or her. Thank you. Yeah. Come. Thank you. What does it indicate? Magazine article? Formal again. Go on.
People don't always see things in the same way. Each person has his or her.
Thank you. Thank you. Also, you can write what? His, okay, or instead of the slash. His or her. Check your answers. Now, let's stop at this point and say goodbye for today.